When most people think about industrial CT scanning or dimensional inspection, they think about the final report or the results they get back. What they usually don't see is everything that has to happen behind the scenes to make sure those results are reliable. This week, A2LA is performing an on-site assessment to evaluate Nel PreTech's technical competence, quality management systems, and personnel to ensure we are complying with the ISO 17025 standard. And we wanted to walk you through what an audit looks like, what's being evaluated, and why it matters if you rely on inspection data to make decisions. A2LA accreditation under ISO 17025 isn't about checking a box once and moving on. It's really about proving over and over that the way inspections are performed makes technical sense. That includes how equipment is calibrated, how procedures are written, how inspections are run, and how uncertainty is handled. During an audit, independent assessors come in and look at all of that. They're not just asking, did you get a result? They're asking, can you explain how you got the result, and can you do it the same way every time? Industrial CT scanning is a great example of why audits matter. During an A2LA audit, the assessor will confirm that technicians are following measurement procedures correctly. The auditor will confirm that parts are fixtured so that no part movement occurs during measurement, that the correct filtering is selected, and that appropriate settings such as voltage, current, and integration time are appropriate for the part being scanned. One topic that always comes up in audits is measurement uncertainty. Every measurement has uncertainty. No measurement is ever considered perfect. CT measurement uncertainty can come from CT accuracy limits, CT voxel size, temperature variation, vibration, etc. If you measure something 10 times, you can get slightly different results each time. Uncertainty describes how spread out those results are. For CT, that measurement uncertainty is defined as a mathematical equation that appears on every report cover page. For dimensional inspection, whether it is CT scanning, blue light scanning, or other 3D inspection methods, auditors want to see that our uncertainty budgets align with the scope and include all meaningful contributors, such as equipment accuracy, temperature effects, resolution, and repeatability. That's especially important in controlled industries like aerospace, medical devices, and defense. From a customer standpoint, an A2LA audit is all about consistency. It means inspection results don't depend on who ran the scan or which shift it was, or how busy the lab was that day. It means procedures are followed, equipment is verified, and measurements and results are reviewed the same way every time. If inspection data is being used to release parts, investigate a problem, or support compliance, that consistency matters. Preparing for an A2LA audit isn't something that starts right before the auditor shows up. It's built into how inspections are done day to day. The audit just confirms that the processes are already in place and that they're being followed. For customers, that means the inspection process doesn't change just because someone's watching. Every year, Nel PreTech conducts its own internal audit, similar to the one A2LA is about to perform. Instead of doing the audit over 2 consecutive full days, we break it into smaller areas and spread it out over several months. Over those months, we are reviewing every quality policy and procedure, going through the A2LA checklist, participating in inter-laboratory proficiency testing, and evaluating the competency of all our lab personnel. We ensure all equipment in our lab is calibrated according to the calibration schedule we have established. Accreditation is all about having confidence in the data, especially if that data is being used to make real decisions. If you're evaluating industrial CT scanning or dimensional inspection, understanding how a lab is audited is a big part of understanding whether you can trust the data. If you want to learn more about our accredited inspection services, visit our website or reach out to the Nel PreTech team.